Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to go live and host a party on Poppo Live. It's very quick, easy and straightforward, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you want to take is, of course, go ahead and open your Poppo Live app and log into your account. After that, you need to note that before you could be able to go live on Poppo Live, you have to meet certain requirements. Actually, 3 requirements. All right, so the first one is that you need to authenticate your Poppo Live account. The second one is that you need to upload a live photo, and the third one is that you need to reach wet level 5 on Poppo Live. And for you to meet all these requirements, I have videos that I've already explained how you can meet these requirements. So watch to the end of this video so that you can get the videos at the end screen of this one. All right, so now once you successfully meet these requirements, then the next thing you have to do is to now click on this go live button right here. So you see this go live button icon, this live icon right here. Click on that. So once you click on that, next thing you want to do is to choose the title of your live. So as you can see, I already entered the title, and the title is Let's Party. All right, so once you enter a title right there, the next thing you want to do is to choose the party type. For example, you want to chat with your friends, you want to sing during the live, you want to dance, or you want to make friends, you want to play game, or you want to display your talent, etc. So for me, I have selected make friends already, so I want to make friends. So the next thing I have to do now is I can decide to add a filter. Now if you look right here, there's this filter icon, and once you click on that, you can select a filter, or you can add stickers right there, or you can enhance your camera by clicking on the beauty, just like that. All right, so once that is selected, the next thing you want to do is to now select the party option at the bottom area. So I have that selected. Now you can now decide either to go live with video or audio. All right, so I'll select audio. All right, and then what I have to do next is to click on hold a party. So I'll click on the hold a party button, and it will take just a few seconds for me to now hold my party. All right, so here is it. So now I've successfully held a party on Poppo Live. Now people can now come and grab a seat right here on this party. Okay, so now that's it. Hope this video was helpful to you and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.